Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech and gear. If you're thinking about upgrading your ride this year, you're in for a treat because today we're diving into the top 5 best e-bikes of 2025, packed with power, performance, and smart features that take cycling to a whole new level. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to keep up with our weekly reviews. And if any of these amazing e-bikes catch your eye, you'll find all the product links down in the description box. Let's ride into the future. This beast of an e-bike comes in 1000 watts and 2000 watts motor variants, hitting speeds up to 37 miles per hour, with battery options from 48 volts to 52 volts and up to 40 amp hours, translating to a jaw-dropping range of 50 to 180 miles. Designed like a fat tire dirt bike, it stands out with its rugged, stylish design, complete with a bold headlight and a sporty saddle. The Shimano 7-speed gear system and dual hydraulic disc brakes ensure smooth, safe rides across all terrains, from sandy beaches to rocky mountain trails. Plus, with front and rear shocks, you'll enjoy maximum control and comfort whether you're commuting or adventuring. If you're after a reliable commuter with mountain-ready features, the Jasion EB5 delivers. Powered by a peak 500-watt motor and a removable 360 watt-hour battery, this bike gives you up to 40 miles per charge and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. It includes 4 ride modes: pedal assist, pure electric, pedal, and booster. And the upgraded LCD display provides real-time ride stats like ODO, max speed, and PAS levels. With 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, front suspension, dual lights, and 7-speed gears, this bike is built for versatility, comfort, and safety. Compact and intelligent, the isinwheel U1 is perfect for city riders and students. Its 500-watt motor uses smart algorithms to tackle 15-degree inclines with ease, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The removable 36-volt battery charges in just 3 to 4 hours and offers up to 25 miles of range. Foldable pedals, handlebars, and a height-adjustable seat make storage and transport effortless. Despite its small size, it includes dual disc brakes, front and rear lights, and UL 2849 certification, making it one of the safest and most portable e-bikes for urban riders. Blending power and portability, the Gotrax R1 features a peak 500-watt motor, a 48-volt removable battery, and 5 pedal assist levels. You'll enjoy up to 40 miles of range in pedal assist mode, or 15.5 miles in pure electric mode. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry on public transport or toss in a trunk. The LCD Smart Display keeps track of all your stats, while dual disc brakes, 2.6-inch tires, and integrated LED lights ensure a safe ride anytime. Whether you're commuting or weekend riding, the R1 is a reliable, all-terrain performer. Topping our list is the Schwinn Coston Hybrid, a fantastic option for daily riders who want style and function. With 27.5-inch wheels and a 250-watt brushless hub motor, it supports pedal assist up to 20 miles per hour and can ride up to 45 miles on a single charge. The 7-speed shifter ensures smooth transitions, while mechanical disc brakes provide dependable stopping in any weather. This e-bike includes built-in head and tail lights, full fenders, and a rear cargo rack, making it an all-in-one commuter solution with Schwinn's legendary comfort and build quality.